Hi everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you my favorite ways to prepare fresh thyme for recipes. So if you've seen thyme at the grocery store or in your garden, it has these distinct little tiny leaves, and it smells so wonderful, and it really is fantastic flavor inside of recipes. So let me give you a little close-up of thyme. So as you can see, fresh thyme are these beautiful woody kind of stems, and very distinct flavor, and I just love it. It's very delicate, but it still packs a punch. So the best way I love using thyme is a few different ways. So of course you could put a fresh sprig of thyme onto a sheet pan of roasted vegetables. You could put an entire stalk or sprig into a stew or a soup. You can also use the leaves by themselves in two ways. The first way is whole. So instead of picking off every tiny little leaf, I mean, that would take you all day long, you just take your fingers and you run them against the leaves and they all come right off. So from here, you can use these little leaves by themselves on top of a finished dish. You can put them into soup, and I love it that it really does look like thyme in a recipe. Or you can give them a quick little chop just to break them up a little bit, and in seconds, you have wonderfully minced thyme that can really unlock amazing flavor in your recipes. I hope you found this video to be wonderfully insightful, and I hope you try using fresh thyme in your recipes at home. Head over to marksievers.com for more recipes, entertaining ideas, and to get more information on my 2 cookbooks. Until next time, bye!